That was Invitation by Bronislaw Kapper. Next up, we'll have another playthrough section with some different visuals. Those include the Guitar Pro neck diagram, tablature, and standard notation. After that, we'll go step by step through each chord and each note of this arrangement. This arrangement is designed to be a simple and straightforward way to play the tune with room for you to adjust it as you like. Be sure to check the description for additional resources. Also, like, subscribe, and check out our member area here on the YouTube channel. Okay, well, let's get started. Okay, well, let's get started with the step-by-step. There is a link in the description for a PDF of this, and that is a used by permission legal copy. All right, well, let's get started. Okay, so we'll start here in position 7, and we'll play like this. Okay, so that's our first shape. I'm letting those ring, and then we're moving down to position 4. Okay, I'm going to hold the middle 2 string notes to let those ring and free up fingers 1 and 4. Okay, and then we're going to play string 3, fret 5, and we move down to position 1. Play that 2 times. Now we're going to play it again. Free up the fingers and play those single notes, and then we'll play this chord again, and again, and then we're going to change up our chord form for F13. Okay, then we're going to play fret 1 on string 2, and then we'll move up to position 5 for B flat 13. Okay, now we're going to go to position 10. Okay, we're going to play really pretty much identical to what we did in position in the previous measures there. So position 10, play that form. Then we're going to move over to position 7. This would be an E flat minor 6. Okay, we're going to free up fingers 1 and 2. Play those notes and then catch string 3, fret 8, and then we're going to play position 4. Okay, and we're going to play that 2 times. Okay, now we'll go to position 4. Play that 2 times, and then we're going to play this again, but this time with these melody notes again. Again. And then we're going to change our form slightly for the A flat 13. Then we play string 2 fret 4 and then move up to D flat 13. So that's really identical to the first section there. Okay, leading into this next, after we play this chord, we can play this note on string 2 fret 10. And that will lead us into this middle section. Okay, so we're going to play 9, 9, 9 here, position 9. Now we're going to play 4-note chord here, 9th position, C sharp minor 9. Then we're going to play 9, 11, and then go down to 1 position. Change our form slightly for this F sharp 7, flat 9, sharp 5. And then going into B minor 9. We'll play that B minor 9 again. Now we'll play almost the same thing, but just slightly different on the A minor. So really the difference is that we just hold that chord rather than playing it 2 times. Aside from that, it's the same. Transpose down a whole step. We also start this next phrase by playing string 2, fret 5. And then we carry on with this. Okay, and then we're going to play just like before. This time we play it 2 times, just like we did with the B minor 9. And this is where it starts to go in a little different direction. So we're going to play like that, and then we're going to get to the E flat 9, sharp 11. So E flat 9, sharp 11. So we're going to go a little back and forth on that, and then I'm going to play finger 4 here on this note going into D7 flat 9, and that way I can hold that E flat with the 3rd finger and then move over to the G7. Okay, and then to begin the next phrase, we're going to play this F on string 2, fret 6. Okay, now this will be just like the first phrase, the first section, but just has that F leading into it. So just like before, and then we're moving down to position 4. That's a C minor 6. Okay, we play like that, and then we're going to play string 3 and then C minor 9 2 times. Okay, we play it again. And then we'll move into the next part. There's a little detail that's slightly different. I think it helps to accommodate the lyrics. So we play another attack on string 2 there, which we didn't on the first section. Okay, and then we go to F13, and then we play C on string 2 fret 1, and then B flat 13. Okay, so when we had that E flat minor section earlier, we played it much like the first A section. This one goes in a different direction pretty quickly, or more specifically after 2 measures here. So let's check this out. We go up to position 10, position 7. Okay, and then we're going to go into this. So we're holding this note, these chords. Okay, now this time we're going to position 1. We're going to play this 2 times, B9 sharp 11. Okay, 4, 6, 4, and then we have F7 sharp 9. going to move that same shape up to position 6. For B flat 7 sharp 9, and then we're going to go into E minor major 7. I'm including 6th in this as well. So keep in mind, a lot of these chord voicings are rootless. As you're repeating this, you can play the D7 to the G7 to go into solos, or you can just stay on the E flat minor major 7 or create another ending, a tag or something like that. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this arrangement. Check out the links down below. I can give you extra help on this, coaching, consultations, lessons. And leave me a comment. Let me know how you're doing in this tune or what you're struggling with or what you like. Enjoy your practice session, and I'll see you all in the next one.